In the early summer of 2012, the bells of St Mary's Church, Clitheroe, fell silent. Work on repairing the church spire had begun. To the general public, the events were dramatic. Steel scaffolding started to tower skywards. It could be seen from miles around. The scaffolding went up, then the scaffolding and the spire came down. But when the scaffolding went back up again, the curtains came around it, and we could only guess what was going on inside. Meanwhile, the graveyard at the back of the church had been decked over to create a stonemason's yard. Each stone numbered and lettered so that it could be put back in exactly the same place. Damage to the stones was very extensive. Each pallet contained one layer of stone from the spire. This is where the weather vane sits. These are the iron tie bars that created the problem. They were painted to try to prevent more damage. Each tie bar has to be chipped free before the stone can be removed. And stone by stone, the spire was brought down to ground level. Now that the spire is down, rebuilding can start. The flying buttresses are suspended on ropes, awaiting the return of the spire. The repair of the stones is well underway, but some of the stones were so badly damaged that they have to be replaced with new ones. Rebuilding has to be meticulous. Each stone has to be exactly in the right place and on the correct alignment. As each stone is wheeled in, the spire keeps climbing. As part of the fundraising effort, some guests paid to be shown around the project. It was very popular with those with a head for heights. On the outside, the general public had no idea what was happening inside the shrouded structure. Inside, the final touches were being put in place. This is a part that holds the weather vane. Then, like a beautiful butterfly emerging from a chrysalis, the spire starts to reveal itself. One last look around the town. Down goes the scaffolding for the last time. The stone yard is all dismantled and tidied up, and everything is ready for the rededication of the spire on the 10th of February 2013. And now the church bells can ring out joyfully once more.